Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys a simple version of chicken cutlet. It's super easy to make and so moisty chicken cutlet. Before I go ahead and start the recipe, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's get started with this super delicious moisty chicken cutlet recipe. To start off, I have 1 pound ground chicken. To this I'm going to add pureed onions, but I have taken out all the juice out of the onion and I'm going to add that to the chicken. I have fresh mint and coriander leaf finely chopped, 1 cup. I have 2 green chilli finely chopped, or add as many as you want. Here I have a couple of masalas. I have 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's add all the masalas into the ground chicken. To this I'm going to add 1 large egg and salt as needed. Now we'll go ahead and combine them until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now I want to tell you guys, I use the garlic and ginger powder. If you want to use fresh garlic and ginger paste, that's also fine, but make sure it's not too watery. It has to be thick paste. We don't want any form of liquid in the kebab mixture because we don't have any binding agent like any kind of flour, so we want to make sure it's nice consistency. Now it's ready. We will refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Longer is always better. My chicken has been marinating for 3.5 hours. Now we are gonna see how it looks. It looks great. You don't need any kind of a binding agent for this. You can just go ahead and make the kebabs and start frying them right away. Now I'm gonna take a medium size of a meat and then I'm gonna form a patty. You can make any shape, any size. It's totally up to you. Just make sure your patty is at least 1 inch thick so that your meat is nice and juicy. Either you can prepare all your patties and put it on the parchment paper and then fry them one at a time, or you can just do what I'm doing. As I make the patties, I'm going to start making the kebab right away. Here I'm already preheating my oil. I have 1/4 cup, and to this oil I'm going to add my chicken cutlets. Now I'm going to prepare the rest of them and I'm going to add them in the oil. Now your heat has to be on medium low heat because you don't want your chicken to be burnt outside and not cooked from inside. So make sure your oil is constantly at same temperature. Whether you first batch or second batch, make sure it's constantly on the same temperature. It takes around 4 to 6 minutes to cook completely and have this nice golden brown outside and chicken to cook through inside. As you can see, I flipped it over. You can see this nice brown, beautiful brown color. This is the color that we are looking for. At the same time, we want the chicken to be cooked through. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm going to drain the chicken from the oil and I'm going to put this in the paper towel so that it can drain any excess oil that we don't need. So once that is done, I'm going to continue to do the second batch. Look at those guys, it looks beautiful. Now the second batch, you don't have to cook for 6 minutes. Since the oil is already hot, it would take only 4 minutes on each side. Now once that is done, you can serve that with nice vegetables and your chutney, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks from inside now. Look at that chicken cutlet, guys. It looks so beautiful, cooked through nicely, and nice brown color outside. It can't get any easier than this. This cutlet is so easy and so simple. You just need few ingredients and it's all ready. I hope you enjoy watching how to make this easiest chicken cutlet recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your thoughts below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.